Let me talk to you today about these 18th century prints. They're very special things. They're called vues d'optique. And a vue d'optique was a collection of prints, often with a theme. And they were transported around France in the 18th century by a troupe with a carriage and horses, and they would stop in a town or a chateau, and they would have the equivalent of a slideshow. So each of these prints would have been fitted into a magic lantern and projected onto a blank wall. And so if you were in Marseille and had never been to Paris, you could actually have an idea of what certain aspects of Paris would be like. For example, these four vues d'optique are all about Versailles. So that's a view of the chateau from a distance, and that is of the aviary. Invariably these were watercolored, so they were hand watercolor, and very roughly, I have to say, they're not very fine things, but they're very charming, and often because they were kept in folders and not exposed to light, they're actually quite bright in terms of colors. And some are very zany, so that's one of Constantinople with lots of color. I love that one, with this big perspective of the palace. And then others. So this one depicts the Basilica of St. Peter in Rome. There is a view of Plymouth in England, and so on. These four I happened to find at an auction with these gorgeous frames and mounts, but normally we would frame these for the client, and we frame them as they wanted.